Okay, now we're live. So gift giving behavior and behavior analysis. I guess we'll figure out who wants to discuss the beginning slides.
Yeah, we can figure that out.
We have our debate points, pros and cons, group position against accepting gifts. Okay. So I'll probably have to be the one that has to hit the next slide.
Yeah, you are.
So do we want to have like...
Yeah, when I was the one presenting for my last group, I had to click it. And like I said, if you just have to make sure when you're recording it that, because I remember the person who recorded it for our last one, she said she had to click on like my box at the bottom to make sure that that was the thing that showed up the top. So since you're recording it and you're showing the screen share, make sure you click on your name. So that way yours is in, you know what I mean?
Like my box right now is highlighted and it says you. So I'm the one that is doing the recording.
Okay. Yep. Just make sure that yours is always the one highlighted if we want the PowerPoint to be the one that shows.
Right.
So if I'm talking, I know sometimes like Google like switches, like if I talk, then Jasmine talks and Kelly talks, but you just have to make sure yours is always like high, you know what I mean?
Right. So for when I know when to go to the next slide, do we want whoever's on that current slide, the last thing that they say, what is typed on there, so I know when to proceed?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that works. All right. Does everything look okay so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And I wrote up the summary on there because in the outline thing, it said that like the con stater is the one to like be the last one to summarize whatever. So like if anyone else wants to add a summary from the pros side and maybe say it before mine, okay, and then I'll kind of summarize like the con side of the argument.
Okay.
I think maybe one of the last slides I did though kind of maybe summarized like as a group, but maybe we want to switch it and make it like this is the summary of like the pros and this is the summary of like the cons. I don't know.
I can do that.
Okay. Just so that way we have like kind of an overall like consensus, I guess, and ending it on a just not on like a random point. Like we summarize it all together.
Right.
Yeah, because I don't know why she makes us want to have the group position.
I have no idea. I was so confused when I saw that in the thing. I was like, then why are we doing a debate?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
It's like you would think you would be going against another group.
Well, yeah, exactly. Like we have one position and then a group has like another position. Like that would kind of make more sense.
Right.
Or maybe like just telling us like how to do it. None of us have taken debate.
Yeah, I'm like, that's what I'm worried about. Is, like, how strict is she going to be on the debate format and how?
I don't think at all, because like I mean, how she's been grading and how she grades, like the one time I submitted something and literally like I think like an hour or two later she graded it and had it done. So I'm like, does she even like read our stuff, or is she just like
going in discussion for automatic grading? I think it's just if you submit it and then you have the two responses.
Yeah. And so I'm like, she can't be reading all that because she grades it like in a minute. So I don't know. Honestly, I'm not too worried about it. It's only worth 50 points and we have like a 20-point extra credit assignment. So.
Oh, yeah.
But I mean, just how she's been grading, it just doesn't seem that it's going to be that strict.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at the rubric and she had said like the time limit or whatever, you get 5 points if you do within 30 to 45 minutes or whatever it is. And then it only goes down to 4 points if you hit like 20 minutes. So it's like you only lose a point then, which I'm like, that's really not that bad.
Okay, so I'll work on adding a summary for the pro side. Does someone want to send in the email, or I guess I can send it to her to see if she wants to kind of give us.
It doesn't matter if you want to do it, or I could do it. It doesn't matter.
I don't care either way.
Because all you have to do is just download it as like a PDF and email it to her.
Okay, I'll go ahead and do that.
And then everyone to make sure to do your group eval after we submit it, because it's worth 5 points. I just looked that up the other day.
Okay.
Well, next week.
When's that due then?
Once we submit.
It's due like I don't know. It's not due to like May. It says, but it says like the actual like when you go into Blackboard, it's like May something. But it says on there like you're supposed to have it like completed as soon as your group submits it. So I would assume like within a week we submit our assignment, we should have it done.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Yep.
Okay, so next Tuesday we're recording it, right?
Yes, Tuesday at 8 Eastern time. So I don't know what time it is for everyone else, but it's 8 o'clock my time.
All right.
Okay.
Does that work for everybody?
Yeah, that works for me.
Yeah.
Thanks for doing it a day early. I'm actually heading out for North Carolina next Wednesday.
Oh, that's totally fine. I get it. And and that's the other thing. It's hard when we all live in different states and have different time zones and different things, and to do a project like this. So.
All right, so I will go ahead and send the professor the email with our PowerPoint to see if we can get extra feedback, and I will let y'all know what she says.
Okay.
We can just keep in contact until Tuesday if there's anything that needs to be added.
Okay, and if not, we'll just plan on presenting and doing all this Tuesday. And then I think we just have to submit this in like the discussion board 13, because I think that's when ours is, and then also like discussion board like 16, because that's where all of them are going to be, I think.
Okay.
We just post the video?
I want to say we just post the video. I don't know if we have to post the PowerPoint, but I can double check on that.
Okay.
Like you just need like the YouTube link to the video.
I think it's just the YouTube link that we send, and then people are supposed to like discuss it.
Yeah, and I think we still have to post in the discussion board. Like we post like a reflection on the project, and then we have to still like comment on like people's like posts, but we like are just posting reflection from the project.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay, cool.
All right. So are we good then?
Yes, does anybody else have anything they want to talk about before we sign off?
I don't think so.
No, I don't.
All right.
Okay, awesome. Thanks, Maddie, for sending that
thank
to
you.
her.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. I'll let you know what she says if she says anything.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.